Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today we're going to do something really different. I'm going to do some card magic with the help of the Spyderco Para 3. But first, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. It will really help the channel out. Thanks. We'll set the knife aside for now and we'll have a look at the playing cards. In any deck of cards, there are 52 cards in a deck. 52 cards represents 52 weeks in a year. Now, there are 4 suits in a deck of cards, and there are 4 seasons in a year. 13 cards in each suit, 13 weeks in each season. I'll give the cards a shuffle and a cut. Now, if you get really familiar with playing cards, after a while, you get a sense of the exact position of every card. And if I was playing a game of, let's say, blackjack, and I wanted good blackjack hands, I could cut to 2 jacks and 2 aces for a pair of perfect blackjack hands. Now, maybe I'm moving too quickly. Maybe there are too many cards on the table, so I'm going to set these aside, and I'll just use 4 cards. And this is where your powers of observation are going to come in. And I'd like you to watch and listen very carefully. I'm going to take the first ace, the ace of clubs, and I'm going to set it down onto the table. I'll take the next ace, that's the most powerful card in the deck, the ace of spades, and I'll take the ace of spades and I'll place that underneath the ace of clubs. I'll take the knife and stab it right there. The cards aren't going anywhere. So here's my question. Where's the ace of spades? Is it on top or is it below? Don't think too long, because the ace of spades is right over here. And underneath the knife, we have the 2 jacks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep it folded, keep it safe.